guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the newest addition to my skincare family, to my Holy Grail skincare family. And yes, you heard it, guys. This is another Holy Grail product. So I tried this for 3 months, guys, before I added it to my skincare. To my Holy Grail skincare family. And that is this one. This is the Black Volume Cream Water Cupping System. And this is from the brand Neogen. Nakalagay dyan code 9 Neogen. I think that's what this one is called. So I got this from Currys kasi when I opened my Currys app, pwede ko siyang itry doon. And I got it for 1,250 pesos. And you're gonna get 80 ml. So guys, when I got married, ito na yung ginagamit ko since then. And it's been 3 months since I got married. And since I got married, ayan, that's how much I've already used. And there's still a lot in there. So this is the packaging, guys. So meron siyang ganito, guys, lalagyan ng product. And then there's a space here where you can put the rubber spatula. But I never use the rubber spatula, guys, especially kapag nagmamadali ako. So yung ginagawa ko lang, I make sure that my hands are clean before I apply this on my skin. By the way, ito yung consistency niya, guys. It's not water, it's not cream, it's like gel-like. So it absorbs into the skin really, really fast. So anyway, let's talk about what this is muna, kung bakit naging Holy Grail moisturizer ko siya. Again, this is the Black Volume Cream Water Cupping System. Yung water cupping system niya, it has 3 steps, guys. So yung first step is the water blocking system, wherein it creates a water block system on the surface of your skin. It creates a dense black layer at the surface of the skin. That's what I like about this one, guys. Kasi when you put this in the morning and then at the end of the day, you are still hydrated. Your skin is still hydrated. It's still moisturized. Talagang andun pa rin siya. Nakikita mo and nafe-feel mo na your skin is still hydrated. Your skin is not oily. It's not greasy. It's just hydrated. So your body or your brain will not produce more oil kasi nga, nafe-feel niya your skin is still hydrated. It's still moisturized. So no need na for additional oil. Ganun. So ayun, that's what I really like about this one. So that is the first step, yung water block system. So yung step 2 is the volumizing system. So this one, guys, is famous for replumping and refirming our skin. So yung step 2, yun yung ginagawa niya, guys. This contains tiny hyaluronic molecules, and we all know hyaluronic is famous in hydrating and moisturizing our skin talaga. So yun nga, it contains tiny molecules of hyaluronic acid that is absorbed into the skin really quick. So, ayun nga, bino-volumize niya yung skin natin. Like example for hair, 'di ba, kapag super flat na yung hair natin, meron tayong mga volumizing product na ina-add sa ating buhok, like maybe powder to make it look volumized, yung mga ganon. So, yun yung ginagawa niya sa ating mukha, guys. So, if you have dehydrated skin, your sunken eyes, guys, this is perfect, guys. So, you don't need an eye cream because you already have this. You can apply this all throughout your face. As in, nilalagay ko siya sa buong mukha ko, including here. Kasi nga, it's also good for sunken eyes, guys, because of the hyaluronic acid that absorbs into the skin really quick and makes your skin look volumized. So, ayun. This is the perfect solution for dehydrated skin. So if you have dry skin, this is also perfect for you. Next is the step 3, and the step 3 is the wrinkle filler system. Okay siya para sa mga kaedad ko. I'm already in my late 30s. So if you are in your late 30s, in your 30s, and in your 40s, then I guess this is what you need, because this is the wrinkle filler system, the last step of the water cupping system. This contains alpha lipoic acid, or ALA, that is absorbed into the skin, and that product will firm our skin. So if you have saggy skin, yung mga fine lines, guys, this combats fine lines and wrinkles. So that ALA is the product that targets fine lines and wrinkles. So that is the step 3 of this moisturizing cream. That's what I really, really like about this, guys. So this is the perfect solution for dehydrated skin. The perfect solution again as well for oily skin, kasi it does not make you oily, because your body will not produce oil anymore, because it can feel and it can sense, and you can really see it, guys, with your eyes, na your skin is still hydrated even at the end of the day. Kaya hindi siya greasy, hindi ka magiging oily if you use this one. And also, if you are already getting old like me, then this will combat fine lines and wrinkles, and ayun. And it absorbs into the skin, guys, ha? So the moment you apply it, like give it a minute or two and then it's gone. Like it's really, it absorbs into the skin really fast, like a minute or two, and then ayun. So kung ano yung skin mo in the morning, kapag hindi ka lang pinagpawisan, syempre, yun pa rin yung skin mo at the end of the day, as in. And I really, really like it. For 3 months that I've used it, I'm really, really in love with this product. This is the last step of my nighttime skincare routine. But for daytime, this is the second to the last step kasi for daytime, nag-a-add ako ng sunscreen after this one. Basta guys, it's really, really worth it. I really, really, really like it for the price. 1,250 pesos. You're gonna get it in Caris. I'm gonna link it on the description box below. But you're gonna get 80 ml naman and a little goes a long way. Isang kuha lang and then that's all you need all over your face. Pero ako guys, kumukuha ko ng dalawa. One on the other half and then one here. Para talaga super hydrated and moisturize yung skin mo. Even though this is a heavy hydration, heavy moisturizer, it's not heavy on the feeling when you applied it on your face. Medyo may scent siya ng kaunti but it's mild, so I think it's okay as well for sensitive skin. It's mild and mabango naman siya, guys. For the benefits that it gives, this one, by the way, is made up of 119 ingredients that are naturally derived black ingredients. That's why it's black, kasi nga 119 naturally derived black ingredients. That's why it's color black. Ayan. And I really, really like it. As in, it's super duper nice. So this is okay for all skin types, I think. So if you have dehydrated skin, then this is perfect for you. If you have oily skin, kasi ako, I also have oily skin, this is also perfect for you kasi nga, your face will not produce oil anymore because it can sense that your skin is still hydrated and moisturized. So guys, eto nga pala, the moment you put it in the morning and then at the end of the day, talagang still your skin looks plump. Your skin looks like glowy and hydrated. Kaya nafe-feel nyo, nakikita nyo na glowy pa rin yung skin nyo kahit hindi kayo naka-highlight, ganun. So, I have no makeup on. And ito lang yung nilagay ko, guys, kasi it's morning and I'm done with my daytime skincare routine. So, ayan. So, it's super worth it, guys. Please go ahead and check this out. It's really, really nice. I cannot rave enough. And if you want to check this out, this one retails for 1,250 pesos. And you will get 80 grams. And this is available sa Caris. So, if you wanna try this, I'm gonna put the link where you can buy this. If you have any more questions, just leave a comment on the comment section below and I'll try my very best to reply to every questions. So ayun, I think I have nothing else to say except that I really love it. I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up because that's how much I like it. 2 thumbs up. And ayun, I hope that you will give this product a try. So that's it, you guys, for today's video. I know it's a quick one and sobrang dami kong sinabi, although it's a quick video, but I still hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment your questions about this product on the description box below, or I mean on the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also please click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Bye-bye!